Hi, this is Nathan Temple with AdvancedDroneAg.com. If you recently purchased a sprayer drone from AdvancedDroneAg.com, you'll need to know how to set up your first field boundary. This video will show you basic information to get you started. So on the top right, you're going to click the person icon. Once you click on this icon, this will show you your user info. Once you're on this tab, you want to make sure that you make an account and are always linked to this account when you boot up your controller. Once you've done that, we're going to go down to the bottom right and press begin. Currently at the airport, but let's zoom out and let's find a field that we've recently just sprayed. All right, once we found the field, we can go ahead and start mapping. So what we're going to do is we're going to remap it. So on the bottom right, we're going to press add, and this brings up our crosshairs. Now there's a few ways to map this field. We can map it with the crosshairs, or we can go to this icon, go down to add points with RC, and now you can add point to wherever your controller's at. So if you want to walk the field boundary, take a side-by-side around the field boundary to make sure you're staying very precise, this is the way to do it. But we're going to go back to crosshairs and we're just going to map it straight here on the controller. All right, now that we're on the boundary, we're going to go ahead and press the add button, and that's going to set our first waypoint. Now we're going to do this for the remainder boundary of the field. Again, these waypoints are going to be in the middle of those crosshairs, and you press add to add a waypoint. All right, now that we've set all of our waypoints, we have our field boundary done, and now we're just going to go to the bottom right and press confirm. And now we can name our field. We're just going to name this one Test Demo 1. And this is an alfalfa field, so we can name the crop alfalfa. And press save. All right, so that is your very basic information to start your first field. Now we're going to go over and click here. So these are our flight parameters. So we're going to be running at 3 gallons per acre. So that is our application rate. Our flight speed, we can usually run it about 18 to 22 feet per second. Since this is a smaller field, I'm going to go with 18 feet per second. Our route spacing is your swath width. So today would be a beautiful day to spray, so we're going to go a full 30-foot swath width, and then our height above the crop is going to be 10 feet. That's very basic, very standard. You can go up to 12, just depending on your terrain. So that's your very basic information to set up your first field. Happy flying, and thanks for joining us at AdvancedDroneAg.com.